Last month in e-commerce, major retailers announced that they're rolling in the dough, but there are concerns that it may not last. Google is partnering with literally everybody. eBay is trying to crowdsource managing unsavory sellers on the platform. Apple is exploring different ways to take money from your pocket and put it into theirs. And Shein is kicking Amazon's ass in app downloads. My name is TJ Gamble, and this is Last Month in E-commerce, where we keep you informed of the topics you need to know about. The first quarter of the year is officially in the books, and retailers have released their data, and it looks like a whole bunch of sunshine and rainbows. Many big retailers had fantastic Q1s financially, including Macy's, Target, and Kohl, which saw digital sales account for 30% of its earnings. Apparently, this whole e-commerce thing is more than a passing fad. That being said, some experts believe it'll be difficult for stores to continue that e-commerce growth trend, due in part to nationwide supply chain issues and more stores being open, which give customers more places to spend their money. Meanwhile, two of the biggest names in e-commerce are working to help small businesses compete online. Google has announced partnerships with a lot of e-commerce platforms in the last month, including integrations with GoDaddy and WooCommerce and Square into its Google Shopping platform. The goal is to obviously strengthen their platform as a source for product searches, because he who controls the search can then monetize it. So this obviously gives merchants access to personalizable ads, but also augmented reality functionality, among other things. Google says those will roll out in the second half of this year. They also announced an addition to their current partnership with Shopify. Later this year, shoppers will be able to use Shop Pay to buy from a Shopify merchant right from Google. Shopify officials say they're also implementing new steps to make the sign-up process easier for merchants. I don't know how much easier it could be, but they're working on it. Meanwhile, eBay has launched a new tool that leaders say will help keep shopping safe for merchants and customers alike, which means they're giving the government the ability to shut down sellers if they deem them illegal or unsafe. I mean, there's no way this is gonna go badly. There's no way. There's nothing to see here. The company released details of its regulatory portal last week. According to a press release from eBay, the portal will allow, quote, selected trusted authorities around the world to report listings that it deems illegal or unsafe. More than 50 groups are in that list of authorities, including the U.S. Postal Inspection Service and outlets in Germany, the UK, and Australia. The portal will be an additional feature to keep online shopping as safe as possible, according to eBay's leaders. Up next, there are signs that Apple may be trying to strengthen its e-commerce offering. According to a job listing on Apple's website reported by CNBC, the company is looking for a business development manager to create partnerships with alternative payment providers. These include digital wallets, fast payments, crypto, and buy now, pay later. All of these providers have seen unprecedented growth in recent months, so it's no surprise that Apple is looking to cash in on their popularity. You can't have anyone making money on Apple products without them taking a cut. It's unknown what could come from these partnerships, but Apple CEO Tim Cook has said he wants to see a future without cash, so let's keep an eye out for it. Finally, there's a new number one in mobile shopping. Shein overtook Amazon in the shopping categories in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store last month, according to analytics firm App Annie. Now, I always feel like stats like this are a bit skewed because it's typically based on the number of downloads, and everyone already has the Amazon app. Like, who's still downloading the Amazon app at this point? So it really means nothing except that Shein is apparently doing really well. And for those like myself that didn't really know, Shein is an e-commerce outlet based in China. It's been around in the App Store since about 2014, although under the name Shein side, before rightfully shortening it a year later to Shein. The app has exploded the last 2 years, pretty much because they sell stuff cheap, and who doesn't like to save a few dollars here and there? YouTube isn't going to spread these if y'all aren't commenting and hitting the like button. So if you enjoy this series where I'm trying to keep you up to date on the e-commerce landscape, press all the buttons. Leave me a comment, just say whatever you feel like saying. And so that's my filtered take on what you need to know about e-commerce from last month. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. My name is TJ Campbell, and I'm the CEO and founder of Jamerson, where we help businesses like yours take those next steps in their e-commerce journey. If you're ready to improve your business and looking for help, go to jamerson.com/go, and I look forward to speaking with you. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.